Today we're going to be talking about capsule wardrobes. Capsule wardrobes help simplify your morning routine, giving you more time and energy to focus on the activities and people you love. Americans are consuming over 400% more clothing items than they did just 50 years ago, yet we're wearing only 20% of them. When you clear your closet of the things you don't wear, you remove micro decision making, which leaves you with a simplified routine, more time and energy to spend doing the things you love, and a stylish wardrobe that you look and feel great in. There's no right number of items to include in a capsule wardrobe. Some people might choose 15 to 30, while others might choose 50 to 100. The point is when you get up in the morning, it should only take you about 5 minutes to decide what to wear, because everything coordinates easily and you feel great in everything. Choosing to create a capsule wardrobe is a simple way that choosing less really is more. Check out our next video to see how you can create your own capsule wardrobe.